So recently I ran out of some tool storage because I've been getting more holders than I have spots. And I have a limited amount of space in my shop, so I don't really have the space for a tool cart. So I came up with a somewhat unique solution for my tool storage. I have a metal bench behind my mill that has a metal shelf on it. So I decided it'd be a pretty good idea to make my own storage shelf on that steel shelf. And I just bought some Hewitt molded inserts, and I took a step drill and drilled out the holes in the pattern that I needed, 3/4 inch holes. And then I took a Greenlee knockout punch and made the proper hole sizes for the Hewitt inserts, and I just put those into those holes that I punched out, and it turned that metal shelf into a tool storage shelf, and it's been working really good for me. Recently I needed to add some more spots to it because I've been getting more and more tool holders. So I figured I'd go ahead and make this video to show you guys what I did. And this method actually works pretty good. It does save you quite a bit of money too, because those inserts they're not too expensive. Whereas if you buy those tool carts can get pretty pricey. And this also works really great for saving space. I don't really have the space in my shop, the floor space for the tool carts. So being able to put these holder locations on my existing shelf really helps out quite a bit. And then I put a light back in there too, so I can just turn that on and I can see all my tools and just grab whatever I need. So I hope this helps you guys out and gives you some ideas of what you could do. Have a good one and take it easy.